Red clover, Trifolium pratense, is a versatile and widely distributed herb known for its vibrant pinkish-red flowers and numerous health benefits. This Materia Medica explores red clover's habitat, identification, edible and medicinal uses, and provides guidelines for safe harvesting and consumption. Habitat and growing. Red clover, Trifolium pratense, is a common perennial herb that thrives in temperate climates. It is native to Europe, Western Asia, and Northwest Africa, but has been naturalized in many other parts of the world, including North America. Red clover prefers moist, well-drained soils and is commonly found in meadows, pastures, and along roadsides. It grows best in full sun but can tolerate partial shade. Identification. Red clover is easily recognizable by its trifoliate leaves and round pinkish-red flower heads. The leaves have a distinctive pale, crescent-shaped mark. The plant typically grows between 1 to 2 feet tall. The flowers are small, tubular, and clustered together in a dense, rounded head, making it a favorite among pollinators like bees and butterflies. Edible use. Red clover flowers and leaves are edible and can be used in various culinary applications. The flowers have a mild, sweet flavor and can be added to salads, soups, and teas. The leaves can also be eaten raw or cooked, although they are often more palatable when young and tender. Medicinal use. Red clover has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It contains isoflavones, which are compounds that act similarly to estrogen in the body. This makes red clover beneficial for several health conditions, especially those related to hormonal balance and skin health. Menopause. 1. Treatment type, tincture, tea, or capsules. 1. Use. Red clover is commonly used to alleviate menopausal symptoms such as hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. The isoflavones in red clover help mimic estrogen, providing relief from hormonal imbalances. Osteoporosis. 1. Treatment type, tincture, tea, or capsules. 1. Use. Isoflavones in red clover may help in maintaining bone density, making it useful for preventing osteoporosis, especially in postmenopausal women. Cardiovascular health. Treatment type, tincture, tea, or capsules. Use. Red clover can improve cardiovascular health by promoting healthy cholesterol levels and improving circulation. The herb's antioxidant properties also help protect against heart disease, eczema, psoriasis, and other skin conditions irritations. Treatment type, salve, poultice, or infused oil. 1. Use. Red clover's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it effective in treating various skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and other irritations. It can soothe and heal the skin, reducing redness and inflammation. How to harvest. The best time to harvest red clover is when the flower heads are fully open and vibrant, typically from late spring to early summer. Harvesting in the morning after the dew has dried is ideal. Best places to harvest when harvesting red clover. Avoid areas near roadsides or places exposed to pollutants and pesticides. Choose clean, unpolluted meadows or fields. Warning: while red clover is generally considered safe for most people, it may cause gas in some individuals. Its anticoagulant and hormonal effects might not be suitable for everyone. Women with a history of endometriosis, breast cancer, uterine cancer, fibroids, or other estrogen-sensitive conditions should avoid using red clover. Additionally, those on blood-thinning medications should consult with a healthcare provider before using red clover due to its potential anticoagulant effects. In conclusion, red clover is a versatile herb with numerous medicinal benefits, particularly for women's health and skin conditions. However, it is essential to use it wisely and be aware of its potential side effects and contraindications. By harvesting responsibly and using red clover appropriately, you can enjoy its many health benefits safely.